Hi everybody, Queens! This is how we celebrated our first year anniversary for reaching 1 year in the marriage. Thank you, Lord, and how much we spent. Let's go! We passed by this beautiful gasoline station on our way. May espresso coffee din sila, which we like kasi mas healthy. My bling. Wait, yan. And road trip. Plus this, and plus bana like that. At dahil naka-cheat day naman kami, cheat days pala, pwede namin kainin lahat ng mga gusto namin kainin. Pero syempre, in moderation pa din. Going back, nagpagas kami ng 2,000 pesos at may natira pa nung bumalik kami ng Cebu.
If you really know me, you know how much I love Mutsi.
So we bought this. It is the bigger size of Bingka. Bingka, di ba? Bingka number 1, big size. Small size, Bingka number 2, 50 pesos. Pero meron kang libreng baby Bingka. One of the best places you can get a good bibingka is in Katmon. 50 pesos per supot. Mas masarap na to kaysa dun sa libre. Oh. Sure? Nagpark kami sa Hagnaya Port at para sa vapor ride, 576, dalawa na kami. Plus 150 tricycle. And then soon as we reach Kota Beach Resort, we immediately check the front beach. As you can see here, low tide. 1,000 pesos naman ang aming binayaran sa aming seafood dinner just right outside Kota Beach Resort. We had a massage for 600 each. Our booking came with a breakfast, free breakfast, 3,200 a night per room, 1,000 for our food. Bago yan, paplansyahin ko muna ang outfit ko. We asked people there kung saan pwede kaming mamasyal or pumunta, and they suggested Baygad Lagoon. It's a separate island. Bangka ride, 200, dalawa na kami back and forth. And when we reached Baygad Lagoon, we paid 200 each for the entrance. At syempre, di mawawala ang picture-picture. Minarkahan na rin namin tong island na to that we were here. More photos and videos. The person we asked about this island said that every weekend, madami talagang tao. And he was right. Sobrang daming tao. At this point, we wanted to eat here pero very packed ang kanilang restaurants. Thank you. Hello. So we decided to go back to Santa Fe, Bantayan Island. And doon na lang kami maghahanap ng makakainan.
Ano nga yun?
Alin?
Nagpunatahan ni Cindy. Hindi na mga message.
Amiha.
Love sheets ko?
Ano no?
Sure ba? Pinakuha na ko rin.
Dito ka. Dito. We check out this place called Amihan Resort. This Amihan Resort is famous for their exclusivity and maganda din ang kanilang beachfront. And hindi masyadong crowded. Masarap din ang pagkain. If I'm going to rate their food, it's 7 out of 10. I would definitely go back to this beach. And we finally found this coffee shop that serves espresso or brewed coffee, which we like kasi healthy pa din nga. At walking distance pa din to. Love, alam mo, nahirapan na talaga ako dito sa inner thighs ko. Nagdidikitan talaga sila.
Out mo yan, diet.
Hindi nga pwede yung ganun kasi ang diet ang tagal-tagal bago yung resulta. Parang gusto ko siya ipameso, ganyan.
Kung ano yung mabilisan mong nakukuha, mabilisan din yung nawawala.
Boom!
Pagsikapan mo yan para magtatagal yan.
Second night, June 8 in the evening. That's our anniversary dinner date.
Yes,
And it's
feeler.
by the beach.
Totoo ba?
So sweet.
Yeah. Paano mo nga napagawa to? Can I? Thank you, love. Thank you. Happy Anev! Congratulations, we made it
Yes.
to our 12 months.
May flowers pala dito sa isla.
Oo, at saka nakahanap siya ng bulaklak dito. Hindi ko alam kung paano.
Ito na lang. Kasi Lord, thank you for this opportunity na celebrate kami ng Valentine's namin. Lord,
Valentine's?
oh, sorry. Ng anniversary namin, Lord. Hello.
Hi. Good morning.
And if again I'm going to rate this beach, Bantayan Beach, for their exclusivity, the amount of people that comes here, the clarity of the beach, I'd say it's 8 out of 10. To summarize this trip, roughly we spent around 12,500.
Meron siguro ditong mani. Adobong mani. May adobong mani yung girl love. Baka meron dyan sa labas. Sige na please. Yung may balat.
Wala na tayong pambili.
Wala na tayo pambili.
Ubus na small bills natin.
Wala na. Okay,
Ito
fine.
na lang sa pagdating.
Kung meron, dapat meron. Sana meron. Kung wala, okay lang.
And can you imagine their pantalan is this clear? Makikita mo pa yung mga isda na naglalangoy.
Love, love. stress.
The things I regret doing, sana nag-swimming ako ng mas matagal sa beach. In other news, Mama is celebrating her 60th birthday in another country. For some important reason, she cannot come home to celebrate it with us. Until my next vlog, you know the drill. Say a little prayer, queens. Bye!